In this video, I will show how to download and install Python 3.13.3 on Windows operating system. So let's get started. At first, open your favorite web browser and browse this URL python.org. Then click on the downloads link and then click on this link to download Python 3.13.3. It may take a while for downloading. After a successful download, go into Downloads folder and open this installer. Okay. If you want to install Python for all users of your system, check this box and also check this box and then click on the Customize installation option and make sure that this option checked. Then click on Next. Now check this option, install Python 3.13 for all users. Okay. Then click on Install button. If you asked a question from user account control, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Select yes. It may take a while for installing Python 3.13.3 on Windows operating system. Okay, Python set up successfully. Close this wizard and open command prompt and verify the installation. Write this command here, python hyphen version, hit enter. The output should look like this. That's it. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and share this video.